Hey everyone, welcome to Family Cool Reviews, and in this video I'm just going to be unboxing this huge box from Macy's from Lancome. So it's all Lancome stuff, and it came with a lot of goodies, and here is the first one. Alright, and here's what's inside. Comes with some samples. This is their Genifique. It's a serum. And then here we have an eye cream. Wanted to say eye gel. It's eye cream. And this one is their face wash, cream mousse, comforting creamy foamy cleanser. Here, let me show you the bag. It's got a huge rose. It's a tote bag. Here are the handles. It's pretty awesome. I'll put this back in and open the next one. Whoosh. Here we have another bag. So it's pretty much the same, it's just red, but it's with the same rose. Let's see if it has the same stuff inside. No. So it has a Lancome mascara, the Definicils mascara, and something in here. So this was a free gift. I'm not sure. I think it was like with $50 purchase. The blush. It's a pretty cool color. It could be like a bronzer too, because it's got that bronze look. And a face cream. So that's all what's in this bag. 3 items. So this is a really cute set. So it has the mascara, this is the Cils Booster, and then the Bifacil eye makeup remover. That's one. I got the Trésor Midnight Rose perfume. Foundation. I love their packaging, their bottles. Alright, next. So I assume this is a little free gift. And in here. Alright, so 3 samples. The mascara and the serum, the Visionaire serum. La Vie est Belle. This is also a sample. Alright, so got a couple more samples in here. So this is the goodie bag that Macy's put in here for ordering so much, I guess. Oh, look at this one. The Elizabeth Arden makeup collection. That's cute. These are all perfumes. Versace, Tiffany, Calvin Klein, Eternity. Nice. J'adore. La Vie est Belle. And this one is the matte shaker. I love the color. It's actually, I've never seen this in person. I kind of chose it off the website. So I think this should be pretty cool. Ooh, nice. I love this color. Cute. Next. Ooh. What is that? Oh, Shutterfly. Wow. Now it's time to open up this. Featuring 10 full-size products. This is so cool. And they also put another sample in here. Guerlain perfume. There it is. Alright, so it's time to check out the holiday Blockbuster. So this is 2017 holiday Blockbuster. So it was $63.50 and a value of $3.50. That's pretty amazing. Oh, look at this case. It's so pretty. It's a really nice Christmas gift if you have someone on your list that likes cosmetics. And let's just open up and get a closer look. Can't wait to see what's in it in person. Whoa. Whoa. Let's put the box back in there. And check this out. It's a huge bag. This is so cool. You can put a lot of cosmetics in there. So now it's time to open it up. Oh, look at this flower. Oh, really cool details here. Whoop. So right here, the first one we have a full-size Bifacil. Nice. A full-size Genifique. I think it's a full-size. It's 0.67 ounce. Oh, this is so cool. I love this eyeshadows. Open up the next one. Look at these two eyeshadow palettes. They're amazing colors. And then we have the full-size mascara, full-size Cils Booster. We have a sample of La Vie Belle. We have 2 lipsticks and 2 juicy tubes. Let's just check this ones out. Okay, here's the first lipstick. Second one, and then the juicy tubes. And inside there's also this little cosmetic bag. I love the color. That's how it's inside. Hi guys, this is all I got from Lancome from Macy's. Lots of stuff. I'm very excited about this set, which is right here. Like you can see it better in the picture when you get in here. It's a holiday case, lamp collection. Really nice, really neat. It comes in a really cool box, which I love. And then got a lot of samples here, a lot of goodie bags. So I'm super excited. Thanks so much for watching Family Cool Reviews, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!